And this is our secret weapon to conquer your taste buds. Hi, this is Amy from Pressure Cook Recipes. Welcome to Cooking Together with Amy and Jacky. So this week, we're bringing you a brand new Instant Pot recipe, the Instant Pot Goulash. In this video, we'll take you through step by step on how to cook this delicious goulash in your Instant Pot or pressure cooker. So if you want more easy Instant Pot recipes like this, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. This Instant Pot goulash is an American goulash. American goulash is mostly made up of elbow macaroni, tomatoes, and ground beef, which is different from a classic Hungarian goulash. Hungarian goulash is a veggie and meat stew made with paprika and other spices. We know that we've converted many of you to fish sauce, and this is our secret weapon to conquer your taste buds. If you've ever tried fish sauce, please leave a comment below saying umami.
For the past month or so, many of us have experienced all sorts of challenges that disrupted our lives. Collectively, we're feeling a sense of loss. We somewhat lost our freedom or finances, lost a sense of security and structure. Most importantly, we lost our physical connections with others. All in all, we lost our sense of normal and control. There are people, events, and things we missed a lot. But this doesn't mean our lives are on hold. It's time to be creative. Let's try to make this historical time a unique opportunity to experience life in a different way. Pick up that book you've been meaning to read. Sing a few of your favorite songs. Give your home a little makeover. Or maybe make that phone call to the person you haven't spoken to in a while. Don't let the current situation rob you out of your happiness and sense of peace. Make sure to season the ground beef generously with salt and ground black pepper. The ground beef will start to release a lot of moisture. After roughly 5 minutes, remove the ground beef juice. So which Instant Pot or pressure cooker are you using? Let us know in the comments. Stir occasionally until they're slightly crisp. This will take approximately 5 to 7 minutes. If your ground beef is very lean, you may need to add an extra tablespoon of oil here. Add in the diced onions and green pepper and saute for 3 minutes. Add in the tomato paste, dried basil, oregano, and minced garlic. Then saute for another minute. Add half a cup unsalted chicken stock and make sure to deglaze really well by scrubbing all that flavorful brown bits off the bottom of the pot. For this goulash recipe, if you don't have unsalted chicken stock, you can just use water. Add in the fish sauce, soy sauce, and Worcestershire sauce. Then give it a quick mix. If you don't have fish sauce or you don't want to use it, you can substitute with regular soy sauce. We're using the thali in this recipe because that's what we have on hand, but you can use elbow macaroni. You can find our written recipe on our website. See the link in the description box below. Make sure all the pasta are fully submerged in the liquid. And add back in the meat juice if you're using it. With the crushed tomatoes, you can just layer them on top. I know it'll be tempting, but don't mix it, just in case some Instant Pots are very sensitive to the burn error. Press either the manual or pressure cook button, then pressure cook at high pressure for 4 minutes. Then do a gradual quick release. So gradual quick release is a pressure release method that prevents splatter. You can simply use a wooden spoon to turn the venting knob just a little bit so the steam will start to come out gently. It'll look a bit too saucy when you first open the lid, and that's normal. Once you start stirring the pasta, everything will come together nicely. So finally, make sure to taste and adjust the seasoning. For us, we added roughly 1 to 2 pinches of salt to open up all the flavors. You can garnish with some parsley, then enjoy this comforting and deliciously flavorful Instant Pot goulash.
Thank you so much for watching this episode of Cooking Together with Amy and Jacky. If you enjoyed this Instant Pot goulash video, please give us a thumbs up. We'll be releasing more Instant Pot recipe videos on our YouTube channel, so make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon. So we hope that you'll stay safe and well during this time. Please take care. Happy cooking and keep smiling. See you next week.